Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 FE next month. The brand hasn't divulged anything about it yet, but thanks to the leaked images we've seen until now, we already know what the Galaxy S25 FE will look like. Today, we are looking at more pictures. These are the leaked official renders of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, showing it from different angles in 4 colors: black, navy, ice blue, and white. These renders also corroborate previous design leaks and confirm that the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE won't look all that different from last year's Galaxy S24 FE. The Galaxy S25 FE has a punch-hole display on the front and a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear. The smartphone has a metal build and flat frames, with the right side frame sporting the volume rocker and power button. Rumors claim that the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE will come with the Exynos 2400 SoC, 8GB RAM, up to 256GB of storage, a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED display, and a 4,900 mAh battery with 45W wired and 15W wireless charging support. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE will run Android 16-based One UI 8 out of the box and have an IP68 rating. It will sport a 12MP camera on the front, while the triple camera setup on the rear will comprise 50MP primary, OIS, 12MP ultra-wide, and 8MP telephoto, 3x optical, OIS, units.